What's going on, guys? This video is for Dr. Pacifica's Vertebrate Natural Histories course at NC State University. The fish I chose for this video is Lepisosteus, platostomus, the short-nosed gar. This is a short-nosed gar. As you can see, it is an elongated, slender fish with a very large caudal fin. It has a posterior dorsal fin almost directly above its anal fin. It is a brown on its back, yellowish on its side, and whitish on its belly. The classification for the short-nosed gar is its kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Chordata, subphylum, Vertebrata, grade, Telestomi, class, Ectinoperigee, which is the ray-fin fish, order, Lepistosiforms, family, Lepistostidae, genus, Lepistosteus, and its specific epithet is platostomus. The short-nosed gar can be identified in a group of other gar species by its relatively small snout as compared to the long-nosed gar, its lack of spots as compared to the spotted gar, and its lack of an upper jaw as compared to the alligator gar. The native distribution for the short-nosed gar is within the United States in the Mississippi and Missouri River basins, from the northwest state of Montana, east to Wisconsin, and down south to Alabama and Louisiana. The short-nosed gar has also been found in some non-indigenous areas, such as the Muskegon River, Lake Winnepongo, and Lake Michigan. In this map, you can see the native distribution of the short-nosed gar in orange, as well as its non-native occurrences in maroon, such as in Lake Michigan. The habitat for a short-nosed gar is generally found in calm waters in large rivers, river backwaters, oxbow lakes, and large lakes with high-level vegetation, fallen trees, and submerged structures. The average short-nosed gar will be about 60 centimeters in length or 24 inches long and weigh about 1.45 kilograms or 3.2 pounds, but some have reached lengths of 88 centimeters or 35 inches long. A specialized swim bladder allows gar to live in environments with low oxygen levels by extracting oxygen from swallowed air, acting almost like a primitive lung. Gar species are covered in a layer of ganoid scales which act like armor, helping to protect them from predators and other hazards within the water. As you can see in this zoomed in picture of the short-nosed gar's ganoid scales, the scales are interlocking and form almost a suit of armor around the gar. These scales are covered with a hard, glassy layer of ganoid, which is an inorganic bone salt. Adult short-nosed gar are top predators in their environment, typically using ambush techniques to feed on fish, crustaceans, and insects. Short-nosed gar are typically found at the surface of water, close to vegetation, logs, docks, and other structures on the water. The short-nosed gar has also been known to leap from the water to catch their prey. In general, short-nosed gar will spawn in the spring, in the months of April, May, and June, when the water is between the temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius, which is about 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Females will lay a clump of eggs in shallow water, vegetation, or underwater structures, and the eggs will clump together with an adhesive, as you can see in the picture in the bottom right-hand corner. Multiple males will then accompany the female and fertilize the eggs, as you can see in the picture in the bottom right-hand corner. The clumps of eggs will then hatch in 8 to 9 days, then live within the yolk sacs for another week, feeding on insect larvae, and small crustaceans. Alright guys, this is the end of my video on Lepisosteus platostomus. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something cool and new today about the short-nosed gar. Thank you, and go Pack.